Okay, finally, after several days of working making a blank, I'm ready to do this M box. I've running out of 3/4 inch material, so I'm stacking and layering some 1/4 inch with some construction lumber. And I'm going to get a little bit of harder wood, but I believe I'll be able to cut it. This font is a Cooper Black font. That's a font that's used quite often in scroll saw work, except I stretched it a little bit this way, widthwise, to make it a little more easier to put the drawers in. I'm going to have 4 drawers in it. And since this was a rounded off font like this, I rounded the drawers kind of to match. Thinks that makes it match up a little better. So I'm going to cut this again with a number 12 Super Skip Tooth Pegasus blade. And should be fairly quick, I hope. And I think it'll be easy enough to cut. It won't take me too long. So let me get it over to the saw and see how long it takes and how good I can make it look. Okay, so I'm going to call that done for the M box. Drawers really work nicely. This turned out to be a little easier to cut than I thought it would. Still gave me some problems in these drawers. I used a new blade on every single drawer because some of that's hardwood. Some of these layers made it a little harder to cut. Even a little bit of plywood in there. But other than that, it was an easy job. And it went fairly quickly. There's just a lot of finishing there that I had to do and get the sanding and get everything to look right. So if you look like that, hit the like button. And if you're not subscribed, subscribe, because I'm going to go on through the alphabet. I'm going to do the N next, of course. And I'll see what I can come up with that one. And what kind of font I'll use, I don't know. We'll see when I'll just have to sit down and play with it. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.